How to reset replace filter on Whirlpool refrigerator. Step 1. Resetting the filter indicator. After replacing the water filter, it's important to reset the indicator light, so your fridge knows it's working with a fresh filter. Open your fridge and locate the control panel. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds until the indicator light changes or goes off. And that's it. Your fridge is now ready to track the usage of the new filter. Moving on to step 2, replacing the water filter. Start by finding the old filter. It's usually located inside the fridge, near the top or bottom. Gently turn the old filter counterclockwise to remove it. Be prepared for a little water to drip, so keep a towel handy. Now, let's install the new filter. Take your new replacement filter and align the arrow on the filter with the arrow on the filter compartment. Turn the new filter clockwise until it clicks into place. This ensures a secure and proper installation. Last step, give your fridge a moment to process the changes. Close the refrigerator door and let the system reset. Open the door again, and check if the indicator light has turned green. That means you've successfully reset and replaced the filter. And there you have it, folks. Resetting and replacing the filter on your Whirlpool refrigerator is a breeze. By doing this regularly, you're ensuring clean and crisp water and ice for you and your family.